Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. When you want to protect the investment that you made in your phone, then it's really good to have a screen protector. This is from JETech, and this is the tempered glass screen protector for an iPhone 14 Pro. This kit comes with everything you need for 3 screens. So if one of them does get damaged or you have multiple phones, then you are good to go with 3 full sets. So I love this particular screen protector because it is really detailed and thorough in the way that you apply these to your phone. It comes with everything that you need, and I have to say they really make it easy by adding little stickers that you kind of use as hinges to secure the screen protector in place before you completely adhere it. So it just makes it a lot easier than other ones I've used in the past. It also is a super clear glass and it is scratch resistant. It's super responsive when you're using your phone. You don't even know that it's there, but you know that your phone is being protected. So if you are looking for a way to protect that investment with a really nice high quality tempered glass screen protector, then I would check out this one from JETech. That's my point of view.